Now that we have Jobber fully integrated, life at Fibrenew is much more professional, and it basically just decreased the level of frustration with our franchise owners out in the field. We're really, really happy with the solution. Hi, my name is Jessie Johnstone. I'm president of Fibrenew. We are a leather, plastic, and vinyl restoration franchise. We currently have 305 active franchise units. We're expected to open another 10 over the next 60 days, and we currently operate in 6 countries around the world. Fibrenew started franchising back in 1987, and we started using Jobber about 3 years ago. We had a homegrown solution we were using before, and we knew we had to up the game, so that's when we talked to the team at Jobber and made the transition. Our franchisees are super busy. They're getting inquiries from all over the place, whether from warranty companies or businesses, and it was becoming increasingly difficult to manage all of that. And quite frankly, jobs and opportunities were falling through the cracks. We had built a solution to basically test the concept of having some sort of field management app, but it would always seem like we were playing catch up, and we knew we needed something more robust. And with Jobber, it just works. So they spend less time in frustration, more time actually doing work, and everybody's happy because of that.
Hi, I'm Steve with Fibrenew Kelowna. We've had the Fibrenew franchise for about 3.5 years, and we've been using Jobber for approximately 2 years now. When Jobber was offered by our head office of Fibrenew, it was a breath of fresh air. We had tried a few other platforms, it just wasn't working, and it was very clunky and hard to keep track of everything. Now with Jobber, we're able to schedule it. We're able to put it either in a day or in unscheduled. So this is wonderful that they were trying to help us get organized with all of our mobile services.
As far as customer experience goes, we really like that professional front and that professional messaging that comes out of Jobber. I know a lot of customers also appreciate the client hub that's available in the system as well. So for repeat work and having the ability to go back to the hub, look at prior jobs, submit payment, that's been absolutely phenomenal from a customer experience standpoint as well.
Within the first month of using Jobber, I realized how good it was going to be for us. Things were much more organized. I could come in early in the morning, take a quick snapshot of the coming weeks, and really have a better plan of how we were going to schedule our employees going forward. I think my customers were affected negatively before Jobber because I was calling them wondering if they got invoices. They were calling me looking for invoices. The more time I'm chasing, more time I'm sitting here in the office before or after work hours, it's time I should be spending with my family.
Having the flow of Jobber payments integrated into the whole life cycle of a job, I think is very, very important. It's just super easy, intuitive, and we think it's the way to go. We've heard numerous times from franchisees when they hear that we have Jobber, they really appreciate that. They know that it's part of the package when they come on board with Fibrenew.
When I found out that they had Jobber and the integration that it had, it really did have a pretty significant impact on my choice with Fibrenew.
With Jobber, our future business, we can scale up more, we can do more jobs, have more techs, and be able to go after more business.
We highly recommend Jobber to other franchise concepts or anybody else who runs multiple locations as a business. It's so easy to integrate, it's intuitive, and most importantly, the team at Jobber is there to support you with anything you need help with, so we highly recommend Jobber.